Welcome to The Doctor is In. I'm Dr. Freddy Gomez. Thank you very much for watching. And I'd like to say that a lot of Filipinos have helped in the fight against COVID-19. And this has led to some notable inventions. One of these is a proudly Filipino-made ventilator, a machine that is highly essential in the battle against COVID-19. We have with us Dr. Abundio Balgos, who is a pulmonologist and the creator of the low-cost ventilator called Ginhawa that is used to help those infected with COVID-19. Hello, doctor, and welcome to The Doctor is In.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Can you
Dr.
hear me?
Abundio, can you hear me?
Yes, I can
Okay, we're
hear
trying to
you.
get the audio on Dr. Okay, can you hear me, doctor?
Yes, I can hear you. How's my audio now?
Okay, great. At least the viewers can hear you as well. First of all, doctor, congratulations on Ginhawa. Can you share with us your motivations in inventing the first locally made ventilator?
Actually, we have been working on a Filipino-made ventilator since 15 years ago. We had a couple of prototypes. We started out with very crude models in the late 1980s, and we were able to improve it until we have what you see here now was our prototype in 2018. Although our latest prototype, which is already ready for testing in the field, uh, is smaller than this, than what you see on the screen. The main motivation that we had was we wanted to allow patients who are not able to afford expensive ventilators, as well as the small hospitals, to be able to get an affordable ICU ventilator that is good for everyone.
That's great to know because, as you know, doctor, ventilators are definitely in demand, especially at this time. Now, even before your invention, ventilators were somewhat of a scarcity when it comes to certain hospitals. Now, let's go to some social media questions. I'm sure a lot of people have questions with regards to your ventilator. Our first question is from Joanne. Ang tanong niya ay, saan po ginagamit ang ventilator? Bakit ito kailangan ng COVID-19 patient?
Ang ventilator ay makina na tumutulong huminga sa mga taong nagkakaroon ng problema sa paghinga, no? Yung tinatawag naming respiratory failure. So, itong makinang ito ay ginagamit kahit na hindi COVID. So, kung nyari may sobrang matinding pneumonia o matindi ang heart failure or anuman iba pang problema na hindi na makahinga ng sarili ang pasyente, ginagamitan ng makina para habang ginagamot yung primary problem o yung talagang problema na nag-cause ng respiratory failure, matatide over yung pasyente.
Okay. And especially now that with COVID-19, the ventilator is very essential, especially yung mga pasyente na nagkaroon nakapunta na sa critical na symptoms, very vital po ang ventilator para sa paghinga ng lungs nila. We have another question from John. Ang tanong niya ay, ginagamit na po ba ang ventilators na ito sa mga ospital?
Hindi pa. Ang aming prototype, actually natapos na namin ito ng 2019. Pero sa kasalukuyan, nagbe-bench testing pa lang kami. Ang timetable namin is sa August, i-field test na namin ito sa 5 hospital. So, limitadong hospital pa lang muna yung paggagamitan ng ventilator na ito.
Okay, so I'm sure a lot of us, including myself, will be excited with the results that can be seen this coming August. And we have another question from Stephanie. Ang tanong niya is, how is a Philippine-made ventilator different from those that are sourced abroad?
Actually, very much similar siya. In fact, sa ngayon, itong modelo namin ginagawa, karamihan ng mga parte nito ay imported din kasi hindi pa wala pang kakayahan ang mga Philippine manufacturers na mag-produce ng mga parts na medical grade ng tawag. No? Pero ang objective namin nito is sa loob ng 1-2 taon, yung lahat ng parts ng ventilator na ito ay magiging Philippine made na. Pero kahit pa man imported yung ibang parts na ito ngayon, ang presyo ay malaking pagkakaiba. No? Karamihan ng mga ICU ventilators ngayon ay lumalagpas ng 2 milyon. 2 milyong piso ang halaga. Pero itong local na ventilator na ito sa production namin na hindi pa nga mass produced, baka lumalabas, umaabot lang siguro ng mga 300,000 hanggang 400,000 ang magiging price nito.
Abundio, Balgos, I salute you and all the Philippines in the service of the Filipino countrymen. So thank you again for joining us here on The Doctor Is In.
Maraming salamat at binabati ko ulit ang kayong lahat at saka yung lahat ng nakikinig sa inyo.
At salamat din sa lahat ng aming mga viewers. Sana ay nasagot namin ang inyong mga katanungan tungkol COVID-19. Samahan niyo po kami ulit bukas, 3:30 p.m. dito lamang sa CNN Philippines. I'm Dr. Freddy Gomez. Stay safe, everyone.